Good morning, Heineberg family. Hope you're all having a good day out there. So we've been cooped up at home for quite a few days now. And I don't know about your family, but our family is starting to be a little bit grumpy sometimes. So I have a really important, good book to share with you today. And the other day when we were told that we had to take home everything we needed to work from home, I was sure to grab this book. It's new to my library, and it is called The Kindness Book, and it's by Mr. Todd Parr. Todd Parr is one of my favorite authors because he is not only the author of all his own books, but he illustrates them also. So he is a brilliant artist as far as I'm concerned. I love his bright colors, and his work always makes me feel more joyful after I read his messages. So I thought we all need a little more kindness in our lives right now. So I thought I would share this book with you today. Sorry about the reflection. I'm trying to hold the book just right, but recording is a little bit tricky. All right, so here's our title page, The Kindness Book. What is kindness? I want you to think about that for a second. And if you're fortunate enough to have someone right close to you at this moment, you can turn and talk to that person and just talk about a couple of things that you think shows kindness. Okay? Kindness is thinking about other people's feelings and helping them feel good. Being kind makes you feel good too. Kindness is reading a bedtime story to someone you love. And I hope everybody's out there reading lots of books these days. Kindness is taking care of your community. Kindness is holding the door open for someone. And as you can see already in this story, there are lots of little ways to show kindness. And all those little ways really add up to help the people that you love around you. Kindness is listening. Kindness is keeping others safe. And that's what our moms and dads are doing right now. They're keeping us indoors for good reason. And we just have to trust everybody and just know that we'll be able to go outside and we'll be able to go back to school and get back to normal very soon. So it's a kind thing for others to keep us safe. Kindness is free. Absolutely. I love that. It's such a surprise when you flip the page and it's like, bam, double page. Kindness is free. Doesn't cost you anything to do some little thing for someone. Kindness is watching out for someone around you. Ouch! Oops! Hate it when that happens. Kindness is holding hands. Ha ha! Kindness is being there when someone needs you. And we all need each other very much right now. So don't forget to hug the people that you love that are close to you. Kindness is taking care of yourself. And I like in this picture, this little guy is sleeping. Sleep is really important. And especially now when we have a lot of emotional things going on, it's a good idea to see if we can catch some extra Z's, right? Kindness is helping things grow. And that's one of my little projects since I've been home. I've been working a little bit more with my plants because I'm home. And so they're getting a little extra water, a little extra trimming, things like that that I can help them with. Kindness is saying something nice. And this little kid is saying, "Thank you for being my teacher." Kindness is not hurting someone's feelings. Kindness is saying sorry. We're sorry. Let's be friends. And that's important. It's very easy to make a mistake and hurt someone's feelings. But if you just pause for a moment, get calm, and then go back to that person and say, "I'm really, really sorry." And part of being sorry is changing our behavior, so we try not to hurt that person in the same way again. That's part of truly being sorry. We call that making amends. Be kind to yourself. And I want to tell everybody out there, kids, parents, everybody, be especially kind to yourself these days. We're all doing the best we can. Kindness is remembering everyone's feelings are important. Kindness is welcoming someone new to the family. It's a funny picture, isn't it? A little skunk getting in there with those pigs. Wow! Look at their eyes. They all look surprised. Ooh. Kindness is giving a bug a hug. Kindness is saying hello to someone new. Hello. That's robot language. Kindness is saying thank you to those who help others. Boy, right now we have all kinds of people who are busy helping in our community. We have volunteers at our commissary who are helping out there. We have all kinds of people out in the community that are trying to help others. A lot of medical people. So it's really important to think about what wonderful things people are doing, and if you get a chance, to say thank you. Kindness is being nice to animals. And hopefully you're lucky enough to have a dog or a cat at home. They're happy you're home right now, that's for sure. Kindness is letting others be who they are. Kindness is cheering someone up when they are sad. And that is one thing that we can all do for each other right now. Just love each other as much as we can. It's easy to be kind. And on that note, that finishes our book from Mr. Todd Parr. And I love the final pages in his book. He always writes us a personal note, and it says, "There are many ways to be kind. Don't forget to be kind to yourself." The end. Love, Todd. So I hope you all enjoyed the kindness book. I wish you a good day, and I will see you soon.